Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity. So stand here. So I am going to say something about the social media. Social media plays a very important role in every person's life because nowadays everything is going on by social media. Without social media, we live, but our things of transporting and advertisement is very easy due to the social media. Social media contains a lot of apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and YouTube, Google, and Google Map, and many things which is important in our daily life. Because if we don't know about anything and we go outside and we find a place to going, at that time we use Google Map. Because if we go any new place, then we don't know about their areas and their roads, which road is better for us, then we use Google Map. Many times we don't know how to use a Google Map. At that time we use a YouTube. Because in YouTube, if we don't know about anything, then YouTube provides pupils who teach us about that things, and we know about everything very well. So if we don't know how to do that work, then we use YouTube, and we find a lot of things which we don't know about that things. If we want to go and for visit any holy place and anywhere, and we don't know what's in that places and which places is good for visiting, at that time we use Google and YouTube for it, and we choose the name of that place, and we find all things about it, and there's a video and pictures where we know about their thing, and we don't strange about their areas, because we know that about there's a culture and there's a tradition. Because if we go anywhere and we know the things or tradition of their areas, then we thought where we are going, it is not strange. We thought that it's like a commonly, because we know about that thing already. That's why we thought that if we know anything about already, then it's easy for us to go outside. And many ways we use Google. If we don't know about any topic, if sir gives any topic for speak, and we don't know about that topic, then we write about that topic, and we find a lot of things in Google. And Google helps in our study also. If we want to learn anything, and we don't know who is better, then Google provides a lot of properties and options for us for choosing who is better and who is best. And we learn very well by Google and also by YouTube. In YouTube, if we want to carry on our online study, then we use a YouTube. In YouTube, we watch teachers experience and motivational videos, and many teachers who takes regular classes for students, and they teach us very well. Because they also want advertisement of their coachings and classes, because they have a lot of talent. And YouTube is the one of the famous thing for advertisement. Because if we want to advertise anything, then we choose the YouTube. And we also joined that things which is important, and we make our account and channel, and we uploaded videos and short videos by that things. If we want to advertise in past time we uses banners and many types of things, and we go outside for our advertisement. But now if we want to advertise of anything, then we use social media. And social media is the one of the most important platform where we advertisement very easily, and our time saves much. And mostly people use this because in social media we don't need of investing much money. If somebody has not much money, then it's a very proper and good way for that, because we use it very freely, and what we want we advertise that thing without any cost. If we get success and our followers are increased, then the YouTube families and many the accountant of their pupils, they also give money of the owner of their channel. So if we want to advertise anything, then we use our social media. It's a very right way for us. And also a Flipkart and Meesho, Amazon, these apps are helpful in our daily life, because nowadays pupils has not too much time. They thought if we want to bring anything, then what the use of going outside? They thought that mostly businessmen and those pupils who joins offices and many things, they thought that if everything available at my home, then what's the use of going outside? They thought I stay home and choose the things very well. And if we choose anything at home, then very patientfully, then they use those apps only because of saving times. Many times we get a very good things in a very short prices, and many times we we also a option of exchange the things in 7 days. Mostly I don't know about all apps, but in Flipkart pupils return their things in 7 days. And if you don't like any product, then you also get a refund of that things. This is very good way. But if anything is damaged, then you fill the quantity, and you also tell the reason of your returning. Then they return your things very well. And also in a foodie way, if somebody don't know how to cook food, and no one at their homes for cooking, at that time someone come, then they use the foodie apps like Zomato, Swiggy. In that apps they orders their food, in they get their foods in some minutes, and they get their things in a time. And if in product any type of difference and any type of destroy, then they also complain for theirs. Mostly people who go outside, also my uncle who lived outside, and means my grandmother who lived in Manpuri. They don't ever to go outside, and their children who lived in Noida, they order things from Noida, and they get in Manpuri, and this is the biggest communication between it, because they don't available anything on time, because they lived far from us. That's why they ordered and they get very well. In WhatsApp we know that in WhatsApp we called people. If someone lived out very far from us, then we also do a video call, and we talk very well, and we thought that that person is also in front of us. That's why video call is the very good way to meet people in a very well way. Also our calls, we if we want to talk anyone, then we calls, and we conversate between us. So by the social media we get a lot of facilities, and these facilities also are good, but in some ways facilities are also harmful. If if we use any app, then it also contains bad or good. Also, Instagram. Many people use Instagram, and in Instagram we get good ways or also a bad ways. Some people who creating a video, and but some are famous, and some are not famous. Those pupils who are not famous, they try to famous, but they don't try to study well, and they invest their time in that type of apps. So nowadays these things also affected on pupils study. So some ways this is good, and some ways who get a lot of money by these apps, and they thought that this is very good, and due to those pupils who get famous, people thought that one day I also famous, and they don't pay attention on their studies. They thought if I famous, then what the use of my study? So pupils pay attention on the Instagram reels. So this is bad. If we use it and create a video, it is not bad. But if we do anything in unlimited, and we don't pay attention on our education, then it's bad. If we do any work, as well as we also watch videos or creating videos, then it's good. But if we do anything in a unlimited time, then it's bad. Also nowadays many pupils are robbed by the cyber crime. So this is also by a social media. Many pupils who use social media, and nowadays they get a lot of wrongness by that things, because they thought that in social media we earn a lot of money. And also many pupils who are bad, they use social media for their earning way. They thought that without doing hard work, they talk about selfish ways, and they rob the pupils. After those pupils who are not much smart, they using the phones, and pupils call them. Pupils ask them, you get a coupon, and you get a lottery, and pupils are get in those talks, and they tell the OTP of their phones after the money cut down from their accounts, after they realize that about things. In also social media, people write down these things. If somebody said these words, then you don't share your OTP, and never told your Aadhaar, and many things which is your personally. So according to me, if someone asks, then you delay, and you cut. According to me, you immediately cut the call of that person, because without saying anything, no one cut down your money from your account. So in social media, many also are net banking. So if we go outside for anything, means if somebody is hospital in hospital, at that time they need money, and they thought, how if I go at my home, then it's too hard for me, and after I also return, then it's create I spend a lot of money in that case. So we use net banking by phone pay, and like many things in that case we use and we transfer the money, but in a safe way. Many people are also do these things in a wrong way, and after they lost their money. In past time people thought that if I go outside then I get an experience, means pupils go outside for marketing. Nowadays also people go, but not all. Mostly people are using online things and online shopping, and but in past time all pupils are using the market and many things. That time they don't have a social media and phones, they spend their times each other, so they have a lot of discipline and they know how to maintain their houses very well. But nowadays people thought that if someone go outside in relationship and anywhere, then people sit, then no one talk each other. People use operate their phones, and no one pay attention on anyone. If in past time anyone go outside, then they meet very friendly and very well, and they talk about their life and what's going on and what's your business about this. But nowadays if someone go outside, then they use phones, means they show off them like very busy. They have a lot of works, that's why they're doing this. So if phones is not now, then our facilities are down. But phones make people very busy, and they don't have a time for their arms. Means if parent wanted to talk to their children, then they find their children in study or mostly in phones. So that's why the relation between parents or their child is not much bonded. But in past time they shared everything very well, and they don't spend their much time in phones. And also if we want to operate the phone, then we also include our grandparents and parents. Means grandparents has not much knowledge about the phones and social media. Then it's our duty to also give information about that things, because that time they don't have a social media or phones. That's why they don't know. But they want to talk, but they want to talk everyone, because they getting bored when they stay lonely. At that time they thought if someone with me, then I feel very well. Also my grandparents don't know about social media and phones, but if I explain them, then they thought I don't understand, you take it over from me, because they are getting old. That's why they don't know much about it. And I also told him about it. And if I operate the phone, then I also sit beside them, because I also know if our parents or grandparents don't know about it, then people also thought they don't give them. That's why they don't know about it. If my grandmother also stitching the cloths and woolens, then they talk to me. If you know about any design or any pattern, then you told me. And I also find it YouTube, and I showed them about it. And if we don't know about anything, then we get easily in social media. So that's all. Thank you.